All right, today I am reviewing some headsets. As you can see, they are a SteelSeries. I can read that backwards. SteelSeries, and they are called For Glory headsets. They are a gaming headset. You can use them with your PS3. You can use them with a computer, Xbox, type of PlayStation 3, 4, whatever. You can use it with your cell phone. Actually, that's what I am doing right now. I have it connected to my cell phone. So far, these are really nice and light and comfy, very cushioned. You have the sound controls back here, and the volume as well. But also the cool feature, there is a light. Let me see if I can find it. So it changes colors, so it lights up. So that's pretty cool. It comes with a Type-C to Type-C connection. So Type-C plugs in here, and then I have the other end plugged into my phone. Then it also comes in with a USB to Type-C connection, and then also a Type-C to aux connection. So you got a aux connection, so you can hook it up to your laptop or computer for gaming purposes, or even to watch a video. The noise canceling is, I wouldn't say is the best, because I still can hear my girls running around in the background. So they're not exactly noise canceling, but they do help muffle out some noise. So I like the microphone here. It is pushed back into this little hole, and you can just push this back in, and that way when you store it, it doesn't get kinked or pulled or whatever, and then you just pull it out to use again. So it works great. The sound is great. The sound is really good quality. I really don't have any issues with it so far. It is not Bluetooth, so you cannot just hook it up Bluetooth. It is a wired headset, so you will need to use a wire. So it comes with an extension. So if you need a longer extension, longer cord, then that would be good for that. So again, so far they are light. Also, it has extendables, so you just pull that out and then it extends. It also has a connections here with this little cloth piece material. That way it can sit comfortably on your head and fit just perfectly. And this piece right here actually is adjustable, so it'll fit just about anybody. I think the microphone works really good. I can hear it inside my ears, so I know that it is working. So, a really good headset.
Everyone, I'm going to be reviewing my SteelSeries Arctis 5 headset. I've had it for about 3 months now. I still haven't taken off that new plastic sticker, so it stays new-ish. One thing I don't like about it is you can't adjust this side piece right here. All it does is rotate from left to right. You can't adjust it at all. The only thing you can adjust is this middle strap here, which is it's really comfortable. But yeah, it's just one hard plastic. There's no foam or anything like that. Like other headphones, it's like a hard plastic material, and this is actually comfortable. It's like a Velcro strap, but it's not the it's like double-sided, so it's not, what is it? It's not that rough Velcro. It's like that soft Velcro, but it's two sides of the soft one. if that makes sense. The ear pads are really comfortable. They're foam, like almost like memory foam or like therapeutic. Seems like my bed mattress on these cuffs. Speakers, they get really loud if you blast it. The sound reduction or noise reduction of outside noise is great because I can't hear anything. Like when I'm playing games in the morning and I have my neighbor like doing some yard work, you can't hear the mowing of his lawn, so that's really a plus. So overall, these headphones are really good because of the noise reduction and the comfortableness. Only bad side is, like I said, the you can't adjust the sides of it, which I guess is not that big of a problem unless you have an oversized head. So, yeah, really happy with my product.
After dying in Counter-Strike, so don't do that, guys.
So as you can see, the light is on, at least the button for the lights to be on, but there is no LED. It is currently plugged in. Still no LED. Faulty product. They are somewhat comfortable and the sound quality is decent, but for what you're paying, everything should be working when you pull it out of a brand new box.